amazing and very simple recipe. Today we are going to make pumpkin pasta. If you're out of dinner ideas and want something cool and tasty, you should try out my pumpkin pasta recipe. The ingredients that you will need are 1 big onion or 2 medium onions, 4 to 5 garlic cloves or according to your taste, 2 carrots, about 2 to 3 cups pumpkin, 400 grams of any type of pasta. If you get penne or any other pasta with holes, it will be more tasty and the sauce will soak in to the pasta. 3 tablespoons of oil, salt, black pepper and Italian seasoning. Let's get started. Now we are going to take our oil and put it into a pan or pressure cooker. About 3 tablespoons. Now we are going to on the flame and let the oil heat a bit. Now our oil is heated and we are going to add in the onions. And we are going to also add in the garlic. Now we are just going to saute them. This will take a couple of minutes, so you have to let the onion brown till it is a light golden brown color. So now my onions are sauteed. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in the carrot also. Now I'm also going to add in the pumpkin. And I'm just going to stir it for a bit. So now just let it saute for 1 minute. We have sauteed it for a bit. Now we are going to add in a bit of water. Now we are going to put on the lid. And we're gonna put on the whistle and let it cook for 1 whistle. While we wait for the vegetables to cook, we can already boil our water for our pasta. We're going to add in a bit of salt. And just stir. You should put a generous teaspoon of salt into the water, and you should have a big enough vessel so that your pasta can float around in it. So now I'm going to just remove the pasta. cheese into another bowl, and now I'm going to let them cool down. Meanwhile, I'll go to the fridge and get some milk and a slice of cheese to make the sauce a bit more tasty. Here we have our milk and cheese. Now let me check whether our pasta water is boiling. Our pasta water is boiling, so I'm going to add in my pasta. Once you've added in your pasta, you shouldn't keep the lid on top. Just let it sit like this, and in between stir it with a fork or spoon so that the pasta doesn't stick together. You have to boil your pasta according to the time mentioned on the packet. My pasta is done by 8 minutes, so I'm going to check it after 8 minutes. My vegetables have cooled down, so now I'm going to puree them in a mixie. Transfer my veggies into the mixie, and now I'm going to puree. It's been about 8 minutes, so now I'm going to check whether my pasta is done. My pasta is done. Your pasta shouldn't be like mashy and all. It should be soft and you shouldn't overcook it. So now we are going to strain our pasta. Just for the finishing touch, I'm going to put the pumpkin puree now into a pan. Now I'm going to add in a bit of milk. According to your taste, if you want the sauce to be thick, you should only add in a bit of milk. But if you want your sauce to be liquidy, you should add in lots of milk. About half a cup of milk should do. My milk is mixed in. So now I'm going to add in a slice of cheese. I'm going to break my cheese into small pieces so that they dissolve quicker. Once your cheese is dissolved, you can add in the salt, pepper and Italian seasoning. And you can add in the salt, pepper and Italian seasoning according to your taste. Our pasta sauce is ready. I put all the seasoning and I mixed it, and now I'm just gonna taste it. That's delicious. The sauce is very tasty. Now all we have left to do is mix it with the pasta. Just mix it so that it's combined. Don't overmix it, and you don't want to crush the pasta. Now it's done, and all we have left to do is taste it. Our pasta is ready. Now let's taste it. That tastes so good. You should definitely try this recipe. If you enjoy and like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.